The 7-Day Focus Transformation Challenge. Amplify productivity instantly. The 7-Day Focus Transformation Challenge is a condensed yet potent program designed to boost productivity levels for practitioners, commencing today. This challenge, meticulously curated from 7 productivity-enhancing books, offers a concentrated dose of practical insights to elevate your efficiency and effectiveness. Book 1, Deep Work by Cal Newport. Newport argues that deep work focusing without distraction on cognitively demanding tasks is essential for achieving high levels of productivity. Dedicate day 1 to identifying your most important tasks and setting aside uninterrupted time blocks for deep work. Book 2, Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. Tracy emphasizes the importance of tackling your biggest, most challenging task first thing in the morning. The frog that, if left untouched, will only worsen and cause stress. On day 2, prioritize your frog tasks and conquer them before moving on to other responsibilities. Book 3, Getting Things Done by David Allen. Allen's GTD methodology encourages organizing tasks into clear categories: projects, next actions, waiting on for optimal productivity. Spend day 3 implementing the GTD system in your workflow to streamline task management and reduce mental clutter. Book 4, The Power of Less by Leo Babauta. Babauta advocates for focusing on fewer tasks, eliminating distractions, and simplifying life to achieve greater productivity. On day 4, focus on reducing the number of tasks you're working on simultaneously and eliminate distractions. Book 5, The Pomodoro Technique by Francesco Cirillo. The Pomodoro technique involves breaking work into focused intervals, usually 25 minutes followed by short breaks, enhancing productivity and reducing burnout. Implement the Pomodoro technique on day 5 to maintain focus and minimize fatigue during prolonged working sessions. Book 6, The One Thing by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan. Keller and Papasan stress the importance of identifying your most important task, the one thing, and focusing on it exclusively until it's completed. On day 6, identify your one thing and concentrate solely on its completion to maximize productivity. Book 7, The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. Olson argues that small daily improvements compound over time, leading to significant long-term success, including increased productivity. On day 7, commit to making small, consistent improvements in your work habits and mindset to ensure lasting productivity gains.